Hi guys, it's Adam again from Car Enhancement UK, and today we are lowering the MK8.5 Fiesta ST, and we're going to be using some springs from Eibach. Stay tuned. So one thing we get asked a lot is, why would you want to lower any car or even a brand new car? Now there's two answers to that question. One of them is aesthetics, and that's basically you want the car to look lower, you want it to look nicer, you want it to look how you want it to look. And the second reason is performance. Now lowered suspension does let the car sit closer to the ground. That increases stability through turns or manoeuvring, and it also is also known as low centre of gravity. Now what that means is that because the car's sitting lower as you're going around a bend, the power can hold more on the wheels as it goes round. So the reason that we've gone with Eibach on this car is because this car has torque vectoring, and the Eibach springs retain that within their development. Now torque vectoring, along with the limited slip diff that comes with this car, make this car an absolute animal around bends or on a track. Now what the torque vectoring does, it's helpful in slippy situations, it's great on track for helping you keep your grip. It improves the car stability, which obviously when you combine that with the low centre of gravity, you're on for a win. And it allows all the power to be sent to the wheel that's got the grip. So if you're manoeuvring out of a bend, all the power will be able to send there, and it will allow you to come out of that corner a lot faster. So if you think about it, when you're on track, then you've got that lower centre of gravity, all the power going to the wheel with grip, you come around a bend, as soon as you put your foot on that gas, you're off. There's going to be no spin, no hop, no nothing. Before we get on with the fitting, I just want to give a massive shout out to Ben and the team at Aibach for supporting us with this build. It's really nice of you guys, and we really appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. So there you have it. That is the car now lowered. The keen-eyed amongst you guys will have noticed that at the beginning of the video when I was talking, the car was already lowered. It's a bit cheeky of me. The footage that we filmed didn't have no sound, so I had to refilm it. Don't tell anybody. But yeah, so the car's now lowered. We quote between 20 and 25 millimeters on the Mark 8 platform, and this has lowered front and rear 25 millimeters exactly. We've measured. Spot on the nugget there, Eibach, well done. But yeah, it looks absolutely spot on. We lowered it a week ago, so we've had a week to drive. We've done 400 miles since we lowered the car, so it's had time to settle perfectly. I can confirm the handling on this vehicle is absolutely stunning. It's a lot better than it was. It doesn't feel as boaty anymore. When you're going around a roundabout at speed, you get the actual power holding down. It's hard to explain, but it's there and it feels great. So I would definitely recommend it. The kits are in stock, so we can get these shipped out to you, or we can install here in Bradford. So please do get in touch if you're interested. It turns out that it's the same kit for the Mark 8 as it is for the Mark 8.5, so the kits are readily available. There's no development phase, there's no period of anything like that. And also they've been tested for 3 years, because we ran the same kit for 3 years on our previous car. So we've had 3 years of experience knowing that this kit is spot on. So I just want to send our thanks once again to Ben and the team at Eibach. Thank you so much for supporting us and sending us this kit to test. We're over the moon with it. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm sure anybody who's looking at this car now can say that it looks a lot better. So if you want to get in touch, please drop us an email to support@ceuk.org, or drop a comment below and I'll do my best to reply as much as I can. But yeah, please give the video a like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.